What criteria define parental fitness for child custody? Imagine a parent who can turn a simple meal into a learning moment, or a parent who keeps a child safe during a busy day. What makes someone truly fit to care for a child? That's what we're here to find out. When courts decide who gets custody, they look at whether a parent can meet the child's basic needs. This includes providing food, shelter, education, and emotional support. Courts start with the assumption that parents are fit unless there's proof otherwise. If questions come up, they might order a formal evaluation by a licensed psychiatrist or psychologist. These experts look into the parent's habits, lifestyle, mental health, and review police, court, and medical records. Courts focus heavily on the child's overall well-being. They want to see if a parent can give a stable, loving environment. The child's age, gender, and preferences are also considered, especially if the child is old enough to express their feelings. A parent's mental and physical health are key factors. If a parent struggles with substance abuse, mental illness, or physical disabilities that interfere with caring for the child, that can raise concerns. But if a parent is healthy and manages any conditions well, that shows they are fit. Financial stability is also important. A parent needs to be able to support the child's basic needs consistently. If a parent cannot support themselves financially, that can impact their fitness for custody. The court looks at how involved each parent has been in raising the child. A parent who has been the main caregiver and actively involved shows a strong capacity to parent. If a parent relies heavily on others for childcare, that might raise questions. The relationship between the parents matters too. Courts prefer parents who can work together and support each other. A parent who encourages a good relationship with the other parent is seen as more fit. But if there has been domestic violence or abuse, that can weigh heavily against their fitness. Any history of abuse, neglect, or violence is taken very seriously. A parent with a record of harming or neglecting a child is usually considered unfit. The same goes for criminal history involving violence or domestic abuse. Substance abuse problems are also a big concern. Courts assess whether drugs or alcohol affect a parent's judgment or ability to care for the child. Lastly, courts look at a parent's decision-making skills. They want to see if a parent can make good choices about the child's health, education, and safety. If a parent shows poor judgment or prioritizes their needs over the child's, that can be a sign they are not fit. When a parent is found unfit, courts don't automatically end their rights. Instead, they might order supervised visits, counseling, or parenting classes. The goal is to keep the child safe while maintaining the parent-child bond whenever possible. In most places, courts follow the rule that the child's best interests come first. This means they focus on whether a parent can provide a safe, stable, and nurturing environment for the child's growth and happiness.